Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the D3DX9 underscore 34.dll error you are experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type File Explorer. Click on open it guys. On left side select this PC. On right side you just need to select the Windows icon disk. You just need to double click on it. In my case local disk C. And now you just need to double click on the Windows. And now you just need to search for SYS wow 64. Double click on it. And in this folder you just need to search SYS wow 64. You just need to search for D3DX9 underscore 34.dll. If you see in here D3DX9 underscore 34.dll, you just need to right click on it and delete it guys. Select continue. After deleting it, you just need to go back to the Windows folder over here guys, and you just need to search for system32. Double click on it, and now you just need to search for the DLL guys, D3DX9 underscore 34.dll. If you see anything named as D3DX9 underscore 34.dll, you just need to right click on it and delete it guys. Click on delete, click on continue. After deleting this, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to open up browser. You just need to search for DirectX, press enter. Now click on the official Microsoft website for downloading DirectX guys. You just need to select the language and click on the download option and download it guys. After getting setup download completed, you just need to click on it and install it guys. Close the web browser. Now click on I accept the agreement and select next. Install the Bing bar. You just need to uncheck it and select next. Wait for the installation finish up guys. Download size 3 MB. Click on next and install it. After getting installation completed, you just need to click on finish guys. This DirectX application will help you to install the missing DLL files guys. And after getting this done, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.